Planners and notebooks are top selling digital products on platforms like Amazon and Etsy. Look, there are over 100,000 results just for notebook. This shows how huge the demand is, and many of these notebooks are created just by using simple tools like Canva. In this video, I will show you how you can create your notebook to sell online. Let's jump to Chrome browser and search for Canva. Open Canva's homepage, go to the search bar and search for A4. I'm gonna choose a blank page so I can fully customize my design. Let's choose this. Let's design cover page of this notebook. Go to Elements and search for floral background. Go to Graphics section. I am choosing this floral background. If you want a background with big flowers, you can simply drag this image to spread on the entire page. If you prefer a minimal look, you can simply reduce the image size and duplicate this image as many times as needed. Let's again jump to Elements and search for shape. I'm choosing this square shape. Now go to stroke weight and increase the weight size to 4. And change the inner color of the shape to white. Let's change the border color. Slightly dark. Now go to text and type your text here. Type here notebook. Go to fonts and change the font style and slightly reduce the size so it may adjust within the shape. You can also add an quotation to make the cover page more attractive. For this, go to Elements and search for motivational quotes. I'm choosing this. Slightly increase the size and adjust it within the page. Let's change the dots color to black and change the black color to purple. Now it is looking more attractive. Cover page of this notebook is ready. Let's design the interior page. Let's again go to Elements and search for line. Reduce the width size and evenly adjust from both sides. Now duplicate and place at a specific distance, then again duplicate and all these lines will be automatically placed at same distance. Now search for purple butterfly. Go to graphic section. I am choosing this. Slightly reduce the size and adjust in the top right corner. Again, go to elements and search for purple flower. Go to graphic section and choose this. Reduce the size and slightly rotate it and adjust. Once your interior pages are ready, you can simply duplicate them and create many copies as you need them. Once all the pages are finalized, go to share option and click on download. Choose PDF standard. You can also choose PDF print. Select all the pages and download. Here you can see your digital notebook is ready. You can sell your digital notebooks on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, and many other platforms.